Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add numbers into a column here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so for this all we need to do is manually select a cell and we're going to put in a random number. Okay, so we'll put in number 1 for example, and then we can obviously put in 2, 3 and 4. Now this can get quite tedious if you're wanting to put this all the way down to 50, for example. You don't want to type all of this in, so all you need to do is select these numbers. I do like to do a couple, and then from there you'll have this little square box in the corner, as you can see right here. You just want to click and drag that down as much as you can. Remember, you can hold with your finger on the clicker and also scroll at the same time. Once you've gone down far enough, just let go and it will automatically pop those cells for you. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.